everybody, I'm Beleo, and my partner Reynald Aprilio Pramana. We're going to present about our study with the title The Effect of Study from Home to the Socialization of Tarakanita Gading Serpong Junior High School Students.
Chapter 1 Introduction Background Issues. The COVID-19 pandemic caused many problems in our daily life. One of the examples, people have to carry out a period of social and physical distancing, so that inevitable activity need to be carried out online. However, this online learning brings several problems. For example, with the existence of study from home, some children become inactive in communicating with their friends. Parents also pay less attention to their children's activities due to their redundant activities. Study from home program is a temporary system run by students and teachers during a pandemic. This system is imperfect, so it requires a supportive support of elements, especially in terms of socialization between parents and children and students with their friends.
Objectives: to find out have the supporting elements work well, or is it just another way around. This research can provide new solutions and insights to the community that makes them become a better support of study from home sustainability. Limitation of problem: to clarify the discussion scope of the issues discussed is limited to these problems. First, the difference between parents and their child relationship and student socialization before and after the program implementation. Second, positive and negative impacts of these problems to Tarakanita Gading Serpong Junior High School students.
Research method. Type of research. The type of research we will make based on the objective is explanatory research, because the research aims to provide answer to a social problem by examining hypotheses and other problems. Then, based on the usefulness, this research is included in the type of applied research, because it aims to provide the solution to the problem in a community that is practical and can be implemented in people's life.
Research sample: we take 36 students of Tarakanita Gading Serpong Junior High School randomly using a simple random sampling technique. Data collect methods: what we do is making a survey and sharing questionnaires to 36 samples that have chosen.
Duration of the experiment: 28 September 2020 until 4 October 2020. Experiment place: own place or own home. Design experiment. Data display. From the data have obtained, we perform data reduction, that is the process of selecting, focusing, and simplifying the raw data that appears. After that, we proceed with data display technique in form of narrative diagrams or tables. Expected result: we hope that the informant can answer the questionnaire honestly, so we can provide complete information that accordance with the discussed issue, and it's easier for us to find a solution to this problem. Analyzing: because this is a sociological study, we analyze the data qualitatively. Qualitative research involves collecting and analyzing non-numerical data to understand concepts, opinions, or experience. It can be used to gather in-depth insight into a problem.
Chapter 3 Discussion. The diagram results are based on the questionnaires answered. Image 1. How often do students get together with friends during study from home implementation? The answers is never. Image 2. How often did students talk to friends via internet before study from home implementation? The answer is quite often and very often. Image 3. How often students talk to friends via internet during study from home implementation? The answer is very often. Image 4. How did students feel during the study from home period? The answer is so-so. Image 5. How parents treated you before study from home implementation? The answer is very good. And then image 6. How your parents treated you during study from home implementation? The answer is also very good. Image 7. How was the relationship between parents and children before the study from home period? the answers is good. And then image 8, how is relationship between parents and children after the study from home period? The answers is very good. Image 9, how do parents guide or treat children before study from home period? It was so-so. And image 10, how do parents guide or treat children during study from home implementation? The answer is very good. Study from home program has its positive and negative impacts on students. The positive impact of study from home can be seen in previous survey, such as increasing technological skills, students get enough rest and sleep, students not being late for class, and feel more relaxed. Also, there are other positive impacts. For example, the rate of COVID-19 spread has decreased due to the lack of physical contact with other people. Next, Table 1. What do you prefer? Study from home or school as usual? And why do you choose it? Most of them answer school as usual. Table 2. Do you feel closer to your parents because of study from home days? Why? Most of them answer yes. This is the summary result of the questionnaires answer from table 1 and 2, and then image 1 until image 10. About image 11, it's about parents' job. Most of them answers teacher. For the sample, most of them from 9th grade, and gender, most of them are girl.
Conclusion. Study from home program is a temporary system run by students and teachers during a pandemic. But this system requires supportive elements, especially in the socialization between parents and children and students with their friends. So far, have the support element worked well, or is it the other way around? To find out the answer to the existing problems, we have researched by surveying in the form of a questionnaire filled by Tarakanita Gading Serpong Junior High School students who were randomly selected. The results show if the support elements work well. There are visible differences in the relationship between parents and children in the period before and after study from home. This can be proved by the number of students who answered that their relationship was much better during the study from home period. Some of the reason they have said it was better because their parents work from home, so they had more time at home to spend with family. There are also some visible differences in the relationship between students with their friends. Based on the questionnaire, most of them show that they need to talk with their friends via the internet very often. Students also can get together with friends during study from home, but they feel okay with this study from home because they know about the situation that happened.
Study from home program has its positive and negative impacts on students. The positive impact of study from home can be seen in previous survey, such as increasing technological skills, students get enough rest and sleep, students not being late for class, and feel more relaxed. Also, there are other positive impacts. For example, the rate of COVID-19 spread has decreased due to the lack of physical contact with other people. The solution? Maybe some schools need to make a new concept of study from home, so students don't need to stare at gadgets continuously. School can ask students to do a new kind of project or activities which relate to their hobbies. Cooking, gardening, sports, music, and so on. It will make students enjoy to do the task. And to avoid cheating on exam, the exam should be replaced by another kind of assignment that is not possible to become cheating.
Advice. We hope this research can make all levels of society to be a better supporter of the sustainability of the study from home program, even though this program only lasts temporarily, not forever. And hopefully, in this pandemic, children and parents can make a better relationship, trading stories, help each other, and work together with love for sake of being together. Also, students can improve their new technological skill which can be useful in their future.